Imagine walking into a garden that feels like a small universe. Not crowded, not loud, not complicated, just a harmony of wood, green, and sunlight. A wall that once stood silent now almost whispers with life. This is the quiet magic of garden wall shelves. They are more than decoration. They are stages where nature performs, slowly and gracefully. Every leaf, every vine, every bloom becomes a character in a living story. You step outside, and suddenly the simplest corner feels like a sanctuary. Many people think beauty must be big or expensive. Huge garden beds, fountains, extravagant landscaping. But sometimes, beauty begins with a single board of wood. A humble shelf. A seedling you almost forgot you planted. Garden wall shelves remind us that small things can be powerful. They transform vertical emptiness into possibility. They take a blank space and turn it into an ecosystem. There is something spiritual about watching a plant settle into its home. You place it on the shelf. You watch the leaves adjust. You see how they lean, how they stretch toward light. It becomes aware of its surroundings. And slowly, your place becomes aware of you. The first week, nothing much happens. Maybe a few new leaves. You think it's too slow. But then, you step outside one morning, and suddenly the wall feels fuller. Something has changed in the quiet, in the dark, when you weren't watching. Nature always works without asking for applause. Garden wall shelves become a journey of patience. Not the impatient kind that checks progress every minute, but the gentle kind that trusts time. You don't sit there and demand growth. You give water. You give sunlight. You give attention. And nature gives back. There's a moment everyone experiences eventually, when your shelves stop looking like things you place there and start looking like part of your identity. You begin telling stories about them. This one came from a neighbor. This one survived winter. This one grew from a cutting. This one finally bloomed. It becomes personal. The shelf itself also carries memories. Maybe the wood came from an old bench. Maybe it was a leftover plank from a family project. Maybe you found it discarded and gave it a second life. That wood now holds plants, and the plants hold emotion. And when someone visits your home, they see more than decoration. They feel intention. Outdoor shelves also change the rhythm of your lifestyle. You start checking the weather more. You care about rainfall. You talk about afternoon sunlight as if it were a guest. You learn the names of plants you never noticed before. You begin to admire differences. The glossy dark green of a rubber plant. The thick, geometric symmetry of a succulent. The delicate leaves of ivy as they wander and curl. The way lavender opens in small purple clouds. You start to understand why gardeners seem calm. They aren't rushing to finish anything. They cooperate with time. There is beauty in repetition. Watering every morning. Cleaning leaves every week. Cutting roots back every few months. People think routines are boring. But routines with living things are never the same. One day the soil is dry. Another day there's new growth. Another day something has flowered. Your shelves become reminders of change. You learn to expect transformation, but not control it. And then there is sunlight. Morning light hits differently than afternoon. The shadows shift across the wall like slow-moving art. A leaf might look flat at 10 a.m., but at 4 p.m., its veins glow gold at the edges. The shelf becomes an exhibition of light. Rain changes everything too. Before rain, your plants look thirsty. After rain, they look alive. Drops settle on the surface of leaves, reflecting tiny worlds. The wood darkens, rich and earthy. You can smell it, petrichor and timber. A combination that makes you feel grounded. Even wind plays its role. It shakes weak stems to make them strong. It allows vines to explore. It teaches plants balance. just as life teaches us. And the seasons. Oh, the seasons turn garden wall shelves into a calendar. Spring is enthusiasm. Everything is young. Everything wants to grow. Summer is abundance. The wall is full. The colors are confident. Autumn is reflection. Leaves dry. Herbs change their scent. You collect seeds and memories. Winter is rest. Everything becomes quiet, but not dead. Just preparing. How many parts of your life follow the same rhythm? Moments of growth, of fullness, of letting go, of rest. Garden shelves teach that every phase has meaning. What makes this so powerful is that you don't need a huge garden. You don't need land. You don't need to be an expert. You need a wall, a shelf, and a willingness to care. You can start with one plant. Just one. A single pot. A single green presence. And slowly, like a story that writes itself, more pieces will find their place. There's something profoundly human about nurturing life. We are born into a world that grows us. When we grow something else, we return the gift. It doesn't matter if the shelf is perfect. Plants do not stand there judging symmetry or color coordination. They just want light, water, and a chance. Some shelves will carry herbs you cook with, and every meal will feel more personal. Some will carry flowers that bloom for short seasons, but the shortness makes the beauty sharper. Some will carry hardy greens that feel like loyal friends. Always there, always patient. And sometimes, a shelf will carry a plant that struggles. You'll try different soil, different placement. You'll worry. You'll experiment. You'll do everything you can. And still it might fade. That hurts. But it also teaches compassion. Not everything survives. Not everything is meant to. Life includes loss. Yet loss is also part of the garden. You learn resilience. You plant again. You start fresh. You move forward. That is the heart of gardening. Not perfection, but persistence. And one evening, maybe months later, someone will stand next to you in your outdoor space and say, "This is beautiful." They won't know how many mornings you watered, how many leaves you wiped, how many times you thought the shelf looked dull. They'll only see peace. That is the reward. Not applause, but harmony. Garden wall shelves do not make your space look better. They transform it. They turn solid walls into breathing walls. They turn outdoor corners into personal retreats. They turn architecture into ecosystem. You are no longer just living in a home. You are living with it. Nature is not around you. It becomes part of you. And one day, you will step outside, not to check progress, not to water or trim, just to be there, just to breathe. And in that quiet moment, you will understand why people fall in love with plants, why a simple shelf can change how you experience space, why green is not just a color, but a feeling. You won't think of your garden wall shelves as decor anymore. You'll think of them as a relationship, a slow-growing, living reminder. That calm is something we build, little by little, leaf by leaf, season by season.